Say&See Geometry, a playful entry to the world of geometry. What do you see? Say it out loud. What looks just like it in the pieces around? Got similar for? Put them together. Use the tube to decode the shape in the center. 26 by 4 real-world examples of the same shape. Use your imagination to match the puzzle parts by the shape they represent. Reveal their common geometric shape with the reflecting tube. "26 puzzles, 104 pieces. 1 reflecting tube. 1 activities booklet. 5 double-side, wipe clean tracing shapes cards. 1 wipe clean pen. 1 instructions guide. 1 reusable storage bag." A thrilling feedback. A reflecting tube displays the puzzle solution. Easy to pack, ready to play storage bag. Practice various ways of recognizing and visually analyzing geometric shapes. Sort, identify, compare, name, describe, distinguish, notice. Use the color key to match the activity to the child's knowledge. Try the adult tip to assist the child and to expand the activity beyond the specified task. 5 double-sided, wipe clean tracing shape cards. Wipe clean pen included. The puzzles are divided into 5 groups, marked by their backside color. Beginner level, play each group at a time. Master level, play 2 groups, or more, simultaneously. We warmly recommend starting with the puzzles, following the groups, i.e., by color, order. Practice observation and imagination and develop the ability to analyze, generalize, and synthesize visual information. No prior knowledge is needed. Equipped with nothing but the joy of playing, the children start a shapes hunting tour, along which they progress independently at their own pace, enhancing motor, sensory, and cognitive skills with minimal adult intervention. During this learn-through-play process, they practice compare and sort skills, improve logical reasoning and analyzing abilities, and develop spatial visualization and orientation skills. Say&See Geometry is part of Say&See educational kits, all based on children's natural curiosity and ability to learn by themselves. The more they play, the more they learn, and the more they enjoy, the more they remember.